How to make money online. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor, aka The Bishop. Today I want to talk on how to make money online, because a lot of persons have been really looking for how to make money online. They are tired of hard work, they want soft work or smart work, as the case may be. But before we jump into this video proper, I want to make a disclaimer on some facts. The truth remains that a lot of persons have had negative understanding or wrong perspective about making money online. Some persons think any money made online is illegit and it's fraudulent, but that's not true. Making money online can be very legit, and it's better, far better than even offline money. And secondly, I made my research and I discovered that there are tons of video about making money online on the internet, but the truth remains that majority of these videos are fraudulent and misleading. They are misleading, and so when people try these processes out, when people try out what they see on these videos, they end up being frustrated, and that would disabuse their mind about making money online. The third thing I want to say about making money online is that it is not a get rich quick scheme. You don't jump online today and start making money tomorrow and buy a car the next day. It doesn't happen that way. It's a gradual process. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will jump directly into how to make money online. And I'm doing this because I don't want you to end up being frustrated after watching tons of video on how to make money online and end up trying them out and not seeing results, because most of the people lie about these videos. So the first thing, or before I even mention the first, I will save the best for the last. So I want you to watch this video to the end. The first thing you need to make money online is a digital skill. You need a digital skill. Believe you me, nobody will pay you money online without a digital skill, except you are doing Yahoo. Except you want to rob them. Nobody online will pay you money without a digital skill. That's number one. You need to get digital skill. There are a lot of skills you could get, you could acquire. We have copywriting, we have graphics designing, we have content creation, very important. There's so many of them, that you could actually do. You could play games online, you could do video editing, you could do script writing or story writing or storytelling. A lot of things you could do online to make money. These are digital skills you could acquire to actually make money online. The second thing you need to make money online is a platform, a digital platform. You could use websites. We have freelancing websites like Fiverr, like Upwork, like freelancers.com. There are plenty actually. You need those platforms to actually make money. So I've mentioned skill, I've mentioned platform, that's digital platform where you could make money. In my list of mentioning, I forgot to mention social media. Social media is a very broad platform to make money. Most of the social media pay you to be a content creator. Instagram pays, Twitter pays, TikTok pays, YouTube pays, Facebook pays. So all the social media actually pay you to be a content creator. So choosing to follow that path can make you good money on the internet. Now, after you get a platform, the last thing, the number 3 thing that you need to make money online. Now, before I say this number 3 thing, please, if you are not follow this channel, please, I want you to subscribe. Click the subscription button below and like this video, so that when I make more videos on these particular skills, when I elaborate on these platforms and I elaborate on these social medias and how they pay, you'll be the first person to get my video. If you like what I do, I talk on lifestyle, finance, relationship, and religion. So the importance of this channel is to get you informed, educated, and entertained, like I said. So please don't forget to subscribe. So the last thing you need to make money online, apart from skills and platform, is what? Is patience. It's patience. You need to learn to be patient. Whatever you want to do, if you want to be a freelancer, a graphic designer, a web designer, a video editor, you need patience to get to grow your client base, to get to grow your community, to grow your portfolio, and then you start hitting the hundreds of dollars, the $1,000 and all of that, because these people come online to tell you make $5,000 in 2 days online, make this, and they build false hope in you. And then when you try this thing out and it doesn't work, you become frustrated. I told you from the beginning of this video that the online money is not a get rich quick scheme. So don't put your mind thinking that you will start today and start making money today. Even if you want to be a content creator, you have to grow. So you need to grow to an extent before you meet the threshold. Please, I would leave you with this: get a skill, get a platform where you showcase your skill or advertise yourself with the skill you have, so that you can get clients, and then with time you start making cool cash from the online space. Before you leave this channel, if you have not subscribed, please click the subscription button, like this video, comment on the comment section, tell me you just subscribed, and I will give you a special reply. I'm coming to that comment section to give you a special reply. I will make more videos, and then see you next time on this channel. I remain your favorite content creator, Victor, aka The Bishop. Love you. Have a wonderful day. Mwah.